Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Annika. I'm a creative team member from NBK-Design. The products you will see in this video were received free of charge as part of my free creative teamwork for NBK-Design. NBK-Design offered those beautiful calendar sheets, and in my first video I want to decorate a cover for the calendar, and we have the 2019 on this layer, and the rest is up to us how we want to decorate it. First I will add a paper from the August collection, Strength of a Woman, bring it behind, and I think the cover don't need much elements, but it's up to you how you want to decorate your sheet. I will add those feminine loops here. Let's use this one, and I will not add much more, just this loop and my paper. And the only thing I will do now is I will work with the lightning. I already did a video about lightning and explained it a little in detail, and so if you're interested, a link is in the description. First I will make a copy in case we mess up, and I can show you the before and the after. Now go to the filter and go to render and lighting effects. Now this is the window for the lighting, and we have different kind of lights, the point spot infinite, but as I said, I did already a video about this, and I will not go into the detail here. So here we can change the color if you want. I want to have a warm color, so this orange is nice, and here I want to have also a warm color like the red. Okay, and we can increase color a little bit here. You can move around your spotlight, make it bigger or more a circle, whatever you want. Something like this is fine for me. And now I want to give the red channel in my object a little bit of texture. Here you can increase the height, as you can see, and this is the minus, and something like this is fine for me, and click OK. So this was the before, and this is the after. And I will add those vintage brushes and something like this, and that's fine for me. This would be my cover for my calendar 2019, and if you want to add more, just do it. And this is just an inspiration for you, and thanks for watching, and see you. Bye.